National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Caldwell Parish, northeastern La Salle Parish, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Rosefield, or 11 miles south of Columbia, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Caldwell and northeastern La Salle parishes, including the following locations: Spalding, Standard, Burlington, and Kelly. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: Caldwell, Louisiana,